Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the threat. Check the radar and HUD for range and missile icon so you know if it's IR or radar guided. Once done, reduce predictable flight. Change speed and altitude to exploit seeker limits because many missiles lose lock below or above certain angles. Make sure your countermeasures are armed and bound to a quick key. This lets you react in one motion. Now position for your first evasive input, while keeping situational awareness for teammates and terrain. You must execute unpredictable, decisive inputs. Roll and pitch sharply to exceed the missile's gimbal and confuse its lead calculations because seekers struggle with high angular rates. Once you've started the break, deploy countermeasures. Chaff against radar, flares against infrared, staggering releases by about 0, 2 to 0. 5 seconds to extend confusion. Then, make use of terrain, pop low over a ridge or water to mask guidance. This forces the missile into a less efficient intercept profile and buys time. Once the missile passes or loses lock, immediately reorient to a safe heading and either climb or accelerate to put it out of effective range, because missiles have limited fuel and seeker cones. If the missile maintains lock, repeat unpredictable maneuvers and manage your countermeasure inventory. Don't dump everything at once. Troubleshoot this. If flares don't break IR locks, activate ECM and dive into terrain masking. This combination often forces a reroute or a timeout on the missile's guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.